this exercise I will show you how to create these logos. We have a Dell logo, FedEx and IKEA logo. These logos we will create with the basic text and shapes. So let's get started. I have 3 logos here, and our page is letter size. As you can see that it is a default size. Let's move these 3 elements to the side here, and we will start from the first one. Here we have a Dell logo. Let's create shape. We will go to the ellipse tool. You can see that here we have ellipse tool. Click on ellipse tool and draw a circular shape. Click and drag your mouse and press Control key. Perfectly, it will be proportionally this way. So here we have a circle shape. Now we are going to add the line weight. Here we can add the line size. Now it is a black outline. We can add here maybe 8 or more. Okay, 12. So this is enough. And here we have a color. This color we need to find in our palette. So let's bring this palette out. From this you can see that there is a small dotted area. You can bring the mouse here. Once you see this double-headed arrow plus sign, you can click and drag inside, and here we have palette. So this is now easy. We can expand it from the corner so you can see whole palette. So we can select our desired color. Here we have a dark color. Circular shape, it is selected. I can right click on this, so the color goes to the outline. Now we need to add the text inside Dell. So here we have in our toolbox, this is a text tool. Okay, CorelDraw text tool. If I will click on this small black arrow, we will get the additional tool, but right now we need only text, so we'll just click it, and this tool is active. Simply click in your page. Don't click and drag, because if you will click and drag the mouse, CorelDraw will create a text box. So we don't need text box, we need open type text. So just click it, and you can see that we have a cursor here. From the keyboard you can type Dell. Make sure the cap lock is on, so we can type in capital letter DELL. Okay, so this is how we have text. To edit this text, if you want to resize and if you want to change the font style, there is a 2-way. You can select the text this way, or you can click on the pick tool. Once the text is selected with the pick tool, still you can change the font style and font size. So let's change the font size here. And also you can change the font size by transforming the text from the corner. You can see that this way you can do also. Let's change the font style to Arial black. So this is how we have a text here. But as you can see that in the Dell logo, E is rotated this way. So here we cannot do anything, because this is group text. So CorelDraw is having option that we can break this text into part. Okay, so once the text is selected, what we can do, we can go to the object, click on break artistic text. So click on this option. There is a shortcut also, Control K from the keyboard you can press. So once I will click this, you can see that now we have individual transform box around this, and letter by letter I can select this text. So that's easy. This is allowing us to rotate or transform or resize specific letters. So I will click on the E, and you can see that only E is selected. If I want to rotate, I can zoom it. Scroll your mouse up, this way you can zoom. I can click in the middle, so you can see that here we have skew control and rotate control around this letter. So I will bring the mouse to the corner. See that this is a bent arrow, and click and drag. Simply click and drag. So you can see that this is how the letter we rotated. Click outside to deselect, and that's it. Now our Dell logo is ready. We need to bring this text inside here. So select whole text. Since it is in part, we can group it. Okay, select it like this, drag the window around the text, and go to the object, and here we have option group. Okay, group, and then click on group object. We can select with single click and move it inside this way. This is the color we have given in our shape, so I will click once again. So you can see that our logo, it is ready. This is Dell logo. Now let's move to the next. We have here this FedEx logo. Now we are going to create this. So simply type text, go to the text tool, click and type text D, and then by pressing shift key I can type E and X is small. That's it. So here we have text. We can transform from the corner this way. So if I want, I can select the text this way and I can change the font like this, or I can click on the pick tool and then I can change. Here we have now text. Click on the pick tool, and as you can see that if you will observe this text, there is no spacing in the letters here, but here we have spacing. So what we can do, there is another way. You might be thinking that we will again break it. Still we can do that, but there is a more handy and easy way. You can select the text, okay, and go to the shape tool, the second, okay. Here we have a shape tool under pick tool. You can click it and you can see the text is having two arrows. One is directed down and one is directed to the right side. So if you have multiple line text, you can increase and reduce the line spacing here, and you can increase and reduce the letter spacing here. So if I will click on this arrow and bring it back, as you can see, it's now closed, and this is what exactly we want. But here E, it's really attached with the D. If I will bring it back more, somehow it's okay, but since we need to change our font color also, it's a good idea to break this text. I just show you this trick how to reduce the spacing among individual letters. So now click on the pick tool and object, break text apart, or press Ctrl K. Now we can select these two letters E and X and use arrow key. Okay, so this is how we attach. In these two letters we have color orange, so we can select orange color, select drag window around this three letter this way. You can select, or if you want you can select one by one, click shift key to add. So this is how three of them selected. We are going to add blue color. Here we have, and that's all. Now here we have a FedEx logo. Now the next logo we have here, IKEA logo. Okay, we are going to create with the shape and text. This text font you might not have in your computer. Whatever font similar you have, you can use for the practice purpose. Here we have an oval shape that is a ellipse, and there is also a rectangular shape. We will use a rectangle tool. Click here rectangle tool and click on drag. Simply click on drag to create rectangular box, and that's all. Now here we are going to add color. So same thing, this color, the one we have given here, we can add an outline. Remember guys, always you need to check your outline because it doesn't appear here in the screen, but once you will print it will be really obvious. So you really need to remove outline. Right click, so we don't have outline. Now we are going to add a simple oval shape here. So we'll use the ellipse tool and start from this corner, here, click and drag this way, just like this. And we are going to add color. Right click to remove outline and left side click to fill inside color. So you can see that here we can zoom it, and a little bit more precisely we can adjust this way. Okay, in our coming lesson we will be learning more about shape, adjust the shape, but right now since it is a very basic lesson, so we don't need to go in that. Click outside and we have here this way. Now we are going to type the text. So click on the text tool and type IKEA. Make sure the cap lock is on so you can type in capital letter. So here we have text. From the corner we can resize and bring it here. Click on pick tool, and here I have one font, Franklin Gothic. this font I am going to apply, but any similar font you have in your computer for practice purpose you can apply. So here we have, now I can stretch a little bit vertically, okay, and bring it inside, hold it from the corner and give your desired size according to the ellipse. Pick tool and click on the color that you want to fill. So left click to color the text. So now we have three elements. If I will move this logo, you can see that the object it's moved. It is because it's not grouped. Control Z, we can select all of them this way and go to the object and click on group. Simply click on group object. So here we have one object, as you can see. So that's all. We can bring back our palette here. Simple and easy to create something in CorelDraw. Okay, so practice this exercise and try to create these three logos the same way. Take a letter size page and create, guys, if you like, and drag. As you can see that we can draw rectangle CorelDraw in your computer, and you can practice this exercise, guys. If